Hello and welcome everyone. This is Early Edition at 6, brought to you live from Seoul. I'm Na Hyun-kyung.
And I'm Daniel Che. Thank you for joining us.
Well, we begin at the National Assembly. Now, today was the second day of a 3-day parliamentary interpellation.
Lawmakers threw many questions at the newly appointed Prime Minister and government officials on the topic of economy.
For the latest, here's Arirang's Park Ji-won.
Lawmakers fired questions at government officials on the administration's economic plans for tackling pressing issues such as skyrocketing household debt, deepening income polarization, and stagnant economic growth. In the House was the newly sworn-in Prime Minister Lee Wan-gu and officials overseeing the economy-related ministries, including finance, trade, and science.
Korea's household debt currently stands at some $993 billion. Consumption has been frozen and income levels haven't increased. Households are facing the burden of higher living expenses, while companies have stopped investing. The economy has stopped its virtuous cycle of growth.
For the past 2 years, the Park Geun-hye administration has attempted to strengthen the economy and will keep pushing the necessary reforms forward. I expect we'll have visible results soon.
Economists say they agree with the government's strategy of focusing on reforms to revive the economy, but say the timing was a little late.
The administration should have focused on reforms from the very start of its term because reforms can bear fruit in the long term. As the administration now has a low approval rating, it could face obstacles to its reforms.
The government deficit and the administration's pledge to expand welfare without raising taxes were other issues criticized at the Assembly. The session will continue until Friday, and the last day's focus will be on social and cultural issues. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.